realise you're hitting him, right? Caved in the rear quarter.
It's my car.
I guess you can do what you want to your own car.
I bought my cars, yeah. It's good fun, isn't it?
Alright guys, welcome to today's episode. We've got a very special guest to start with. Adam is in Ireland. We're here in the middle of a car park outside Tesco. He just had a full Irish and it's as Irish as a guest this morning, right?
That's pretty good.
It's not bad. He actually had some white pudding and black pudding, which is a brave man to come and do it straight away.
I didn't eat the black pudding. You kind of scared me away.
Yeah. You want to know how it was made of, and I was like, I can't tell him. If you guys don't know what it's made of, you can Google it. So we are heading down to Cork today to meet up with James Deane. We're going to do a bit of drifting in the field. We're going to check out Darren McNamara's crazy builds for the LZ Festival this weekend. And we're going to take the old trusty V8 GS down the road. But before we get into the car, I want to show you guys something very cool. So this is the Irish national newspaper. So this is the biggest newspaper in Ireland. Not like a tabloid, not like a small one. And right here, a conversation in Englishtown turns into an article in a national newspaper about our event this weekend, which we're super proud of. I don't think we've ever made a national newspaper for drifting. So that is pretty sweet. Right, he's tired. I got 3 hours to drive. We're going to hit the road and head to James.
We're vlogging in each other's vlogs.
Hello. Look at your camera compared to mine.
Size is
What's
everything.
this? Size is everything.
Size
What
is
are you
everything.
trying to make up for?
I'm compensating for things lower down.
Welcome back.
Alright guys, we are back in James Deane's HQ. We haven't been here since the Games Changer series, so it's getting very nostalgic, but back in those days. But we're here with Adam and Colette, and they're checking out all of James's cars. You'll see all of that on Adam's channel. But I just want to remind everyone, before we get any further, we have officially decided to do a pay-per-view live stream on the event this weekend. We're bringing in the best of the best, all the boys you know who did all of our live streams for IDC, BDC and stuff back in the day. It is on lzfestival.com, so if you go there you can check it out and you can grab your pay-per-view for the weekend. It's 2 full days, so we're going to show the full Drift King of Ireland competition, which is mostly IDC and BDC guys going head to head, and then the top 4 of those go into the Sunday, which is the LZ Festival main event. You guys can watch it all from the comfort of your own home, so get on it. It is much cheaper to buy it between now and Friday than it is at the weekend, so get all the information's on the website anyway. But we'll talk to the guys. They're here discussing. Whoever thought we'd ever see Adam LZ in Cork in Ireland sitting in James Deane's Eurofighter, which is like, it's a very strange feeling for all these different worlds coming together. But this is exactly what this event is all about. People networking, having fun, checking out each other's cars. The boys are going to go field drifting, so we're going to kind of be a fly on the wall for that. You'll see it on Adam's channel anyway, but we're just kind of following around for the day, giving them a little tour guide around Ireland, so it's going to be a lot of fun. Have you been looking outside at your car lately and thinking, I need an upgrade? Well, I'm going to send you somewhere very special, to morefieldmotors.ie. They've got amazing stuff like this in every specification, a huge range. If you want an SUV, you want a performance car, you want something practical, they can hook you up and they can even source it if they don't have it. They offer full finance. They have a beautiful showroom where you can come in out of the elements and actually check the cars out properly. Tell them I sent you and you're going to pick yourself up a very nice machine.
Very strange sensation. realise you're hitting him, right? Look what you did to him!
It's my car.
You caved in the rear quarter.
It's my car.
I guess you can do what you want to your own car.
They're both my cars, yeah. It's good fun, isn't it?
It's actually incredible. Yeah.
The transitions were close there a couple of times.
Yeah, I may have gasped and screamed a few times.
Look at the dust going over the fields. Like a cloud of...
The amazing thing, it's like a cloud of smoke, but it's a cloud of dirt. It's clear the field though. It's like the Irish Norwegian ice drifting.
Yeah.
That's kind of what it is.
Irish summer field drifting. It's good fun though.
I can see the problem and I know a mechanic. Have a look around the front.
Blocks the radiator.
Yeah, it's just...
Even Dave diagnosed that.
Even I got that one.
Some diagnose it.
I can see there is no air going into that car.
You wouldn't want a clean car to be doing this. Definitely wouldn't like to be drifting a twin cam in this.
Yeah, Jack Shanahan, ladies and gentlemen.
So for anybody that was wondering what field drifting is, that was field drifting. Just lining the cars up to get a few pictures and then we'll be off the road onto our next location, which is Group D, to see the cool cars that are down there.
Oh god, cruise control's back on again. Hey Adam. Oh, I can't use the brakes. Arrive in style.
Blaine, how are you? Grand. So it's day 3. We are deep into setup now. The lads have been having fun and gallivanting in Cork while we're here slogging it out doing the hard work. But Judging Tower up and ready to go. It is live streamed this weekend, so this we have the live stream crew. They are actually kind of half wired up here as well. Branding, all done.
Shazzy Brandon.
LZ and FG and Drift Games branding the whole entire way around.
And in the middle?
Centre section, and the exact same. I'm even have more flags in the paddock because there's a big, huge meet and greet on Saturday. So we wanted to have the place inside, having a look a bit jazzy, look a bit fancy. So place is looking good. Lovely sunset as it sets over something that we have absolutely no involvement in. Thankfully for you, the grandstand.
And for you, I mean the audience, because you'd be dead on the weekend if we built it, so.
You go to sit down and you just go straight through it to the floor. So 1 of 3 grandstands builds do be done.
Right, let's go check out this new grandstand then. If I can operate scooter and camera at the same time. Majestic AF.
So, welcome to the grandstand build number 1. Grandstand 2 is going to be underneath the bridge. Grandstand 3 to be confirmed, could be also underneath the bridge because it could go beside it, or it could go over that side, to be confirmed. You'll actually know when this video comes out because I'll make that decision tomorrow. So, track painting can't be done is, funny enough, we did such an unreal job of painting the track at Drift Masters. It hasn't come up in 4 months, so it's still actually down.
Outside clipping point here.
So, yeah, literally I painted the track 4 months ago and it's still perfectly visible, so I don't need to measure that tomorrow. I can just repaint that tomorrow even. But we'll get
Put the walls in, concrete walls, paint the walls,
finish the track. That's the track kind of done. So we'll progress to the next section, which is the Drift Games shop.
Right, take us on a tour, Adam. Cian taking a half day.
Welcome to the Drift Games shop. May look like any regular old Drift Games shop that you may see in any of your event, but we have added for this weekend very fancy tough tile podiums for possibly the 2 PS13s, the Spirit Ray and the Red. Where PS13 are going to go here, and a few of the Drift Games cars. They may look like a normal boring shop, We tried to make it really jazzy this weekend.
Show us.
So it's still a build in progress, but we've added tough tile inside. But that's not the only thing that you probably can kind of might be able to make out.
Look at the smile on his face. He's just delighted about this.
Wait until you see this.
Wham!
Look at this! So,
I need to put my sunglasses back on in here actually. That's better.
professionally wired and a really, really good job done by Josh Holsworth by sticking loads of wires together.
I think we show up because it's definitely, I'm sorry Josh, but it's definitely going to get fixed and redone.
We had no electrical tape, so we just used packet tape. So, yeah, there you go. But the tough lights are up. Tough light bit. So yeah, we recently done the tough light in the Drift Games garage, and we had some left over. Came out unbelievable. So, Drift Games shop also not in place at the moment, and will go here tomorrow when the rest of the guys arrive, because the rest of the LZ team arrive tomorrow. Just beyond this trailer is the LZ shop. So.
Right, back to the lads then I think.
Back to the lads. That's most of the builds done for now. There's a lot of stuff to be done tomorrow. So,
Yeah. So catch you tomorrow when the track gets painted, the last few things start going together, and
I look absolutely horrific. But that's what.
just more than usual, Adam.
Yeah, more dirty, more angry, and more tired. And
I'm going to start walking over this way because Adam is going to beat me up.
ready for pints.
Pints.
Alright, so we're down here at Group D. Darren, stop flicking wrists.
Stop messing.
Messing already. It's going to be a long weekend.
There's no sleep or nothing. It's just sugar and all.
Well, what have you been doing? I clearly been doing nothing in here, obviously. So we're down at Darren. We dropped in. Adam is editing his video, and we had a great day with James, and we got on Melzia Supermax and a full Irish breakfast. I think we've done all we can do to really show him how.
Food poisoning for the weekend.
He won't be there at the weekend. He'll probably be getting sick. So basically, what we're doing is just going to show you guys a little preview.
Stop it.
Obviously, the S13's come out. Do you know what? The only time we've seen the S13 come over the hill at Mondello Park is with Dwayne McKeever driving it. So this time you're driving it, which is where you should be.
That's fine.
So you're using this for the competition, which we all want to see anyway, because this thing is awesome. And if you guys aren't familiar with this car, this is the S13 you've built for a couple of years. It's been kind of, I think this car has kind of followed both of us along for a very long time now, because all the way back to Global Warfare, which was my first big event, this car, right, was one of the stars of the show. And then fast forward 8 years.
Before that, we did the How to Build a Drift Car video.
Yes.
When
And
it
so
was
then,
being built,
when it was being built. And then 8 years later, at the next big event that we're doing, the car is back, but looking very different than it did. So this is obviously the sprint car engine V8, crazy lightweight, 1100 kilos ish. How much horsepower?
7.
7. How much torque?
7.
7.
Well, 650.
And so it's going to be a bit of a monster around the track at the
Oh,
weekend.
this thing is going really good.
And this is going to be, and he's going to be in the business end of it. He promised me. He's going to be 100% in the business. Look at the confidence.
Easy.
On
3 cylinders.
Going to blow everyone out of it. On 3 cylinders.
We're going to reveal this car, right?
So this car we're going to take the... Oh, we can't.
Yeah.
So this is our good friend. You guys who follow the channel will know Sultan from the Middle East. He's built a lot of crazy cars, but Darren has built this one for him. And it's interesting because this is my old 86 Corolla, which was an SR20. Very, we'll say, subtle, nice car to drive around in. Not so subtle anymore, as you can see the body lines here. But we can't show you this until the next video because Sultan hasn't seen it himself, so we want to reveal it to Sultan himself. But I did take a look at it. I'm not going to lie, and it's bananas. I think it's the craziest 86 I've ever seen. And when you Phil Morrison coming to the event, there's a lot of competition there of crazy 86s.
Well, we did the Need for Speed one as well. That was pretty cool.
That was very cool, but
This one's way crazier.
I think that's crazier than the Need for Speed one.
No, it is. It's mad. It's mad. We're happy with it.
There's a lot going on. And as if you didn't need enough crazy cars coming, this is probably... He's
calm
not...
down.
Josh is not over stuff.
There's literally canards on top of canards everywhere, on the floor, in cars, anywhere.
You're going to decapitate all of our marshals at the weekend with the amount of canards and spoilers running around the place.
Bring more marshals.
But this,
The canards aren't going.
for bringing spare canards and spare marshals to see how we get on. But this thing, we were right here at the start when this was unveiled, and it's been a long time coming. And this is probably my favourite car that's going to be on show and on track on Sunday is the Quattro, because this This is like one of those things for me that you decide in your head, I'm going to build this car, and everyone goes, shut up, you moron. What are you going to build? I'm going to build a Quattro Group B rally car, and it's going to have a 5-cylinder Audi engine with 700 horsepower and Nissan Silvia suspension. And everyone goes, go back and play Forza now, will you? Just relax there. And then
play computer games now.
you just play in real life.
Yeah.
So here it is, actually in the flesh and running and dynoed.
Done, ready to go.
Ready to go.
There's a lot of people claiming that you weren't going to get this done as well.
Yeah,
And
not a doubt.
here it is.
And here it is.
Why would they doubt us after 10 years?
Go on, pop open the old bonnet here and let's see the beauty that it is.
Just be clear, we will be going over these more on Friday.
we'll go
more
through
in
them
depth.
We're giving you a little sneak preview. We'll go through them properly when we get to the track. This thing is just, I've never even seen an engine like that before, so I don't even know what I'm looking at.
It got out of hand, didn't it?
It got very out of hand. Like this started as like, oh, and now it's like, I don't even, there's a lot going on there with manifolds and
It's just different.
the turbo is here on a big old pipe.
It is.
And the exhaust
Nicely
is out here
silenced.
for Mondello friends.
Yes.
Nicely silent. Where's the silencer?
There.
I saw nothing. And so we're going to go through this in detail on Friday when we're at the track and we actually get to see it rip a couple of laps. So we're not going to go too crazy on showing you right now. We just wanted to get you hyped for the LZ Festival because everything's getting, it's got a little bit of a vibe, this event, doesn't it?
I'm excited.
Big, tired, excited. We're kind of the same, tired and excited. But now that everyone's landing and the cars, we're actually seeing the cars that we've been advertising for so long at the event, all in the flesh. It's kind of all coming together. So I can't wait to get to testing, and then obviously the weekend is going to be nuts because all these cars are going to literally be let off the leash and just into the bowl of Mondello Park, turn 1 and turn 2, and whatever happens from there happens from there. So thank you, Darren, for showing us. We know we have a lot of work to get them all 3 cars ready and unveiled at the weekend. So let's get back on the road. Alright guys, day 1 of our 7-day vlog series around the LZ Festival is coming to an end because we're very tired. We've just arrived home and everybody's wrecked. Long day, but very fun day. Looking forward to the weekend. Can't wait to see everybody tomorrow who lands in from the United States, from Australia, from Poland. We'll be showing you guys all of that on the vlog. But right now, I want to go to sleep because we are tired boys. See you tomorrow.